Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and we are here this week with a really fun witchcraft. Now, here we go. Everything you need is going to be in this little bag that you pick up here at the library. And you can come into the library and pick those up, or you can pick them up at curbside. So I'm going to take everything out of my packet and show you that's just how it's packaged. You'll get a paper plate. You will get an orange piece of paper. Whoa, I about lost that one. Oh, there she went. You'll get an orange piece of paper like that. You are going to get a Halloween word matching to keep your vocabulary skills sharp. And on the back of it, you're going to get a word scramble. Just a fun activity for you to do and keep your skills sharp. Now, the other thing you're going to get is a piece of paper that looks like this. Eyes and the hat of a witch. Okay? First thing we need to do is look at all of our things. And what I did first is this. You might do yours in a different order, but the first thing I did was I took this orange paper and I folded it in half and in half again. And then you'll put your little hand or your big hand right here. And you'll trace around your hand. And then you'll cut it out. So what you end up with is 1, 2, 3, 4 handprints, okay? And I think I'm going to do this one this way, and I'm going to do this one this way. So we make sure we have 2 sets. Then the next thing I did was I cut out my hat after I colored it. And now this is a black hat, but you may choose to color yours any way you wish. So there's that. I colored that. And then I took a really bright green, because I wanted my witch to look greenish. So I took bright green and I colored my plate all over. And I colored it with crayon, and then I went over it with a colored pencil, so it was nice and bright. Now this is the part you would eat off of, but that's not the part you color. You color this part that kind of comes out like this. So here's my witch's face. And guess what these hands are? Well, they're the hair. She's going to have orange hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a glue stick. Now, don't be afraid to use your glue stick, because you're going to have to use quite a bit of this to make it stick. And the first thing I'm going to do now that I have all my things cut out, colored, ready to go, is I'm going to put a witch's hat right there. But I'm not going to put it all the way down on the sides, because what I need to do now is decide, ooh, I like that, and I want one thumb going that way, and I think I want another thumb coming this way. There you go. And then I'm going to lift that up, be careful, and I'm going to glue all of this together right here under that edge. Then I'm going to go to the next edge, and I'll put some glue. I'll get my hair or my hands together, and I'm going to put them just like this underneath the hat and glue it down. So this is my witch, and this is hair, face, and hat so far. All right, then I want to put a nice strip across my witch's hat, but I don't want mine to be quite this big. I'm going to cut mine in half. All right. And I'm going to cut a little bit off the end so that it will fit. And again, I'm going to take a little bit of glue, and I'll put my witch's band to her hat right there. Okay? Last thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put some eyes in here. And put a little bit of glue on this one. A little bit of glue on this one. And I'm going to put them right here. I might have to move her hair over just a little, maybe just a little right there. And we have 2 eyes. All right. Now something's missing, and it's just going to be, what do you think? Oh, I think she needs a nose. Yeah. I think she needs a mouth. Well, let's just see. I think I'm going to draw my mouth right here. I'm going to just do just like this. And she's going to have a tooth. What do you think? Is that okay so far? Oh, she's looking good. But then I'm like, well, she needs a nose. Well, just a regular nose? No. I'm going to make my nose look like this. And she's going to have a nose that looks like that. The other thing she's going to have is, guess what? She needs a wart. Maybe she needs two. Yeah, she might. So here's your little witch when she's finished. And you can hang it up on the refrigerator or anywhere else. She has a nasty long nose. She has 2 warts. She has a big smile, but only 1 tooth. Well, maybe you want to give her 2 teeth. That'd be all right, too. Have fun, make your witch, and please come into the library and see us because we're open, and you can come and pick your craft kit up right here in the children's department or on curbside. Thanks, guys. Have a very witchy day.